In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a contributor in Squarespace 7.1. Whether you're working with a team or just need a hand managing your website, bringing additional contributors on board can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and take a look at how you can do this easily. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. It's the essential starting point. Head to squarespace.com and hit that login button. Now, if you have your account linked with Google, this next step is a breeze. Simply click continue with Google and you'll be swiftly directed to the next stage. For those of you not using Google, just proceed with your usual login method using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you're going to see a list of websites under your account. Go ahead and select the website you want to work on by clicking on it. This will take you to your main dashboard where all the behind the scenes action happens. Next, let's get to the task of inviting contributors. You'll want to navigate to your settings, which is easily identifiable via the cog icon. Clicking on settings takes you to a new page with various options, but what we're interested in is permissions and ownership. This option can usually be found in the left-hand menu, so go ahead and click on it. On the permissions and ownership page, you might notice you need to click it once more to specifically access its sub-settings. Once you're in, you'll notice an option labeled Invite Contributor. Tap on this to bring up the invitation form, which is super straightforward. Now onto the form, this is where the magic happens. First, you'll input the name of the person you're inviting. Make sure to enter it exactly as you know they prefer. A little detail, but it goes a long way. Following that, fill in their email address. It's important that this is correct as it's the address they'll use to accept the invitation. The next step is deciding the level of access your contributor will have. You'll see a drop-down menu that presents different permission types such as administrator, editor or comment moderator among others. Think about what roles this person will perform on your website and select the one that best fits their responsibilities. Once you have their name, email and access level set, confirm everything looks good. If all is correct, click on Invite. This sends an invitation directly to your contributor's inbox. And that's it. You've now successfully added a contributor in Squarespace 7.1. Your invitee will receive an email with their access details, and once they accept, they'll be able to collaborate on your site. It's that simple. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy Squarespacing!